I always wanted to know what's inside of this. So you know what we're gonna do. First, let's feel how satisfying this is. So now it's time. It's not working. Yeah, I'm cutting this open. It's not working. So I'm just going to do the pencil like this. I'm trying to get this open. I've always wanted to see what was in here. Like, bruh, what is in here? Ugh. Oh my gosh. It's coming out. Oh, that was so sticky. Wait. I remember when I was little, my Stretch Armstrong broke, and this was in it. It's kind of a sus fact. I'm gonna go put on some gloves. Okay, guys, got my gloves on. Now we're gonna squirt all this out, because I have no idea what this is. It feels like slime when you play with it with gloves, but really very sticky. Clear glue probably, that dried up. So I'm gonna cut it open more. This is so satisfying.
Hello? Nothing.
Gosh, this looks so cool. Ugh, push it out. This is so sticky. Look at this. Wow, I can't believe I opened this and this is what I got. I'm gonna put all this gluey stuff in a bag to see if it really makes it that squishy way. Or to see that they just put it in there the way they put it in there. You know what, I'm just gonna put him in the bag and squish. It's not pushing all of it into the bag. Well, I guess.
Yeah,
guys,
super sticky.
thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, click the bell button. It was gonna be so satisfying.
Do you need help opening the scissors?
Okay. So.
Okay, just put them the whole thing in the bag. Let's clean.
I'm going to keep it closed. Well, this feels good if we put it in a squishy. I don't even know what this is, though. So, guys, goodbye.